Love, what can you say about this place?
Huh?
What can you say about this place?
It's nice.
So those are the water bags. So water bags have a strong association with water. They use it to evade predators like lions, cheetahs, and hyenas. And fun fact about male water bags, the older they get, the stinkier they become. And the stinkier they become, the more attractive they are to female water bags. And on your left side, those are the eland, one of the largest antelope here in Savannah. And female eland can produce up to 7 liters of milk a day, much more nutritious than a cow's milk.
Pero pakita mo yung sa dulo. Baliktad. No, umikot na. Oo, ayan o. Ayan, fuck him up. Oh, lah, lah, nagrambol.
Cutie. Love din nila ba? Kumakain.